Welcome back to another episode of Living in Woodstock. Today we're continuing our series of what does X amount of dollars get you in Woodstock, Ontario. We're going to be looking at a couple of townhouses in the $650,000 range today. If you're interested in a house like this, make sure to book a call with me. The link is in the description below, and I'll help you through that process. Okay, so we're starting with a house on Thompson Drive in the Havelock Corners area of Woodstock. This house is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,700 square foot townhouse with an attached garage. Has nice hardwood floors throughout the main floor and going up the stairs. As you can see, some tile in the kitchen. Nice quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances. Ceilings are also very high in here, 9-foot ceilings on this main level. We'll quickly zoom upstairs. As you can see, it's attached in laundry up here on the second level. Here's your primary room with a nice ensuite, double sink. Okay, now we're coming into another townhouse on Lynx Crescent. This is in the Tollgate area of Woodstock. This is also a 3-bedroom. It has 4 baths though, and 1,500 square feet of living space. This was built in 2020. You can see here the finishes are not as nice in the kitchen with laminate flooring and countertops. It does have a nice concrete patio, and it's one of the only ones in the neighborhood with a fenced backyard like that. As we head downstairs, you'll see also that the basement is finished. Laundry down here. So again, as we look at the bathrooms, notice the countertops are laminate countertops here. So with something like this, you're trading up some of the finishes. Although it does have the extra finished basement and a couple more bathrooms, so it really just depends what you're looking for and what the goals are of your family. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the tours. If you're interested in a house like this, make sure to check out the description. It has all my contact info and a link to book a meeting with me.